Hi, this is Alan at Ripperden Resources LLC, and today I want to announce our latest product, and that's a mount for the accessories that come with the Milwaukee 0892-20 Handheld Vacuum. The accessories that come with the vacuum are 2 extension tubes, a floor tool, a crevice tool, and an extension tube. We've designed mounts for those accessories for a Packout wall and for a wall. Our Packout mounts will be offered in red and black. Our wall mounts will also be offered in red and black. As with all of our Packout mounts, to install it onto the Packout plate, you simply line it up and push it in until it snaps down. It's held securely in place with these latches. To remove it, simply push the tabs in, pull up, and straight out. We designed this mount to mount the accessories that are provided with the 0892-20 Handheld Vacuum. That mount secures the vacuum, and you can place the accessories on this mount. It's meant to hold the 2 extension tubes, the crevice tool, the hose, and the floor tool. The floor tool simply mounts right into this slot. This mount is a complement to our handheld vacuum mount. Both together hold all the accessories and the vacuum itself. The wall mounts work exactly the same way. It's the same geometries on the front. There's 3 mounting holes on the top and 3 mounting holes on the bottom that'll accept a number 10 or a 5mm fastener. These are all in stock and available today at ripperdenresources.com. At Ripperden Resources LLC, we bring your vision into reality with precision 3D scanning, advanced 3D design and modeling, and high-performance 3D printing. From concept to production, we work with materials ranging from consumer grade to ultra-high performance and flame retardant filaments. If you want to bring your additive manufacturing capabilities in-house, we sell professional 3D scanners, high-temperature printers, and filaments. Contact us today on our website, ripperdenresources.com. Email us at info@ripperdenresources.com. Or call us today at 940-273-9713.